Hello there, my name is Ismail and welcome to Top Channel 101. So today we're going to be looking at how to make this scene here, a satellite blowing up a city from the sky. Let's play back the animation. It unfolds and then it blows up a city or some city somewhere. So yeah, let's break it down. Maybe let me first show you the animation for a few times so that you can see what's going on. And this is all okay. I'm looking at my OBS and it's really slowing down, so I guess I should just show it in a small screen like this. That's how it's playing smoothly. Yeah, we are going to look at how to make this, and this is all rendered in real time using the new Blender Eevee renderer. So yeah, it's a very cool setup, and you can see that it doesn't really look too different from the real thing here. Maybe it's not the real thing, but it doesn't look too different from the reference image that I used here. Yes, so this is what we're going to look at today. Yeah, so let's get down to it. Also, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and also, if you want to get the project files, you will find them on my Patreon page. That way, you can get the files and examine the material setup, everything that I did here. But otherwise, let's get started.